Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Zuri and welcome to ZK Art Express. If you are new, welcome. I'm glad that you found me. On my channel, I love to be able to teach people how to draw simple subjects and draw these simple subjects in a simple type of way, okay? And if you are interested in this type of comment, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today's art lesson is going to be on how to draw a rabbit, okay? So I love rabbits. I think they're very, very cute. So today we're going to be drawing that in today's art lesson. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to first start by showing my supplies as always. So 9x12 drawing pad, just a regular drawing pencil or pencil. This is what the brand that I'm using. Need eraser. My eraser, other eraser, I'm pretty sure you all have seen when you watch my other videos. And of course the medium I'm going to be using, because not only I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a rabbit, but I'm also going to be showing you how to color it too. And this is the medium we're going to be using, which is color markers, and we're going to be using the Posh brand. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so step one in the drawing process is going to be showing you how to start building up from the beginning or the baseline, the subject that we're going to be drawing, which is going to be the rabbit today. So to get this rabbit on paper, we're going to first start using some simple shapes to start getting it in. So the first shape we're going to use is going to be a circle. I would say probably about a dime size that I'm drawing. Now, of course, depending on how big or small you drawing your rabbit today, of course, you adjust the size as necessary. But just for art lesson practice today, the size circle that I'm going to be drawing is going to be around about a dime size. So step one. All right, so step two, we're going to go ahead, draw these shapes again. And then we're going to add in the legs and then the ears. I think also the tail and the face expressions. Okay, so basically the rest of the little small details. All right, so step three, we're going to draw everything from start to finish, put these things together. And then what we're going to do is start erasing the unnecessary line and connecting the lines to form the actual rabbit. Alright, so now we erased all the unnecessary edges, connected each of the part, and now as you can see, we have a rabbit, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and color them in. These are the colors that I'm going to be using today. Okay. Alright everyone, so that is it. That is the final piece when it comes to drawing a rabbit and also coloring her in. I like this type of color. It's kind of like a dark type of color palette with browns and different types of grays and stuff like that. So if you all enjoyed this video, if you follow along or you just watch, of course get down in the comments and tell me how you liked it, everything, and if you did draw along, how did it go, what colors did you use, etc., etc. Again, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video. Ta-ta.